Good evening, everyone. Guys, I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible. Good
Okay.
evening.
Thank you so much, Ashika. Okay. Yeah, guys. So, what is the update on your assignments? Is it done? Fine. One by one, start sharing the screen. Okay. Everyone, guys, please be ready with the assignment. Assignment सब open करके रखो. Okay. First, Bhumika, would you like to share the screen? Bhumika Jain. Okay. Let it be. Isha Dani. Okay. Rahiba, is it done? Why? Why it's not done, Rahiba? Ritika, Ritika Purva, okay, Shruti, to I know. Siddhant, Siddhant Taware, okay, Siddhi,
Yes, ma'am.
done with the assignment.
एक्चुअली मैम 9:30 वाला बैच है तो मतलब मैम में साक्षी मैम है मेरी टीचर तो उन्होंने कुछ
I'm only
असाइनमेंट तो नहीं दिया
teaching.
था या बट मैम असाइनमेंट नहीं दिया उन्होंने कल कुछ
कल असाइनमेंट नहीं दिया था क्लास में, is it?
नहीं दिया था मैम मतलब मेरे को उनका नाम याद नहीं है जिन्होंने कल सेशन लिया था बट उन्होंने कुछ असाइनमेंट नहीं दिया
Okay, 9:30 में नहीं दिया होगा. Let it be.
हाँ या
But 7:30 का बैच मैंने लिया था, guys. Vibhor, what is the update on assignment? Yashika, is it done? Guys, literally किसी ने assignment complete नहीं किया है. See, if you left, if you don't know the assignment, Yashika, then it's your responsibility to check the recordings. Others, though, I don't know like in which zone they are. See, guys, first and last time, I'm explaining this part. Please be serious with your assignments if you want your certificates, ठीक है? Because certificates में ये सब mark होता है. आपका attendance, आपका assignments, आपका submission, आप क्लास में कितना एक्टिव हो, everything. Okay. And if you are not completing, see, I have an Excel sheet. I have to mark submitted, not submitted. That's it. I can't type your reason, whatever you are giving me here. And reasons also only 2, 3 students are giving. Rest, so I don't know. They are not interested to respond. See, it's your choice. I'm not forcing you. If you want, if you are interested, complete the assignments. Or else it's up to you. What I can do, no? But if you are having any doubts, then don't come and ask because you don't know the drawing tools. You don't know the modifying tools. You are not completing the assignment. You are not practicing. Then कैसे आएगा? Definitely नहीं आएगा. Yes, Bhumika?
Yeah, ma'am, I've done like I've made one elevation of a room. So I have used those tools, line and mirror and
No,
selection and
no
deselection.
need of elevation. I asked only 3 furnitures, no, I guess.
Ha. So, sir, ma'am, I've made a like furniture. I've
Then
made
where are
furniture
you?
in that.
I was
Ma'am, only the
asking.
elevation.
Okay, share it. कब से आपको पूछ रही हूँ, is it done? Is it done? You are not
Uh,
responding only.
no, ma'am, I have said in between also that I've done. Like I've made one, so I'll show you. Ma'am, can you see?
Okay. So
Yeah.
here only rectangle and line tool you are using.
Yes, ma'am. Only rectangle, line, mirror, selection, and deselection I've used.
Okay, fine.
And
चलो
offset
let.
also, ma'am. Ma'am, I've
हाँ.
used offset also.
Okay.
Yes.
चलो let it be. You have created something that is nice. Good. But it's not your assignment, right?
No, ma'am, it's my own assignment, like my own work.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
Okay, fine. चलो कुछ तो शो किया आपने. No, no issues. Good. So I'll consider कि only one student है जो serious है class में, right? Others I can understand जो दूसरे बैच में है जिनका seriously कोई लैपटॉप का सिस्टम का इशू है. But others, okay, let it be. Your choice. Fine. So today we are going to start with the layer properties and scaling part here, right? So can anyone tell me what is meant by layer properties? Basically, why we use the layers in the drawing? Can anyone tell me? Try it out. गलत है तो भी चलेगा.
May I go?
Yes, yes, you can.
So basically, जब हम layers में काम करते हैं, so we can work it for different things. Like for example, if I'm working on a plan, तो मेरे plan में maybe मेरा walls का layer अलग होगा, doors का layer अलग होगा, and windows का layer अलग होगा. So that जब मुझे किसी एक चीज को edit करना है, maybe my windows, maybe my doors, so मैं इस चीज को proper
Yes, correct. Shruti, your voice is breaking a lot. But yeah, I got it, whatever you explained. It's correct. Like basically,
without disturbing.
okay. So basically, layer properties is nothing but okay. Yeah, sorry, Bhumika, I missed it. Yes, tell me, please.
And no, ma'am, I was just sharing the same thing which she has shared.
Okay, please repeat. I actually she was not audible now.
Yeah. So basically, what I understand from layers is like in a drawing, there are different components, and we work on a different component. So whenever we want to close and do not want to see a particular component in a drawing, like door, window, so we can just turn off the layer, that particular component, and we can see other things, whatever we want to see. So basically, filtering what we want to see and what we don't want to see in a drawing. That's why we use layers.
Yeah, this is correct. But you can't say that's why we use the layers. Okay, this is the part only. Okay, exactly why we use the layers. Remember, to differentiate the objects. To differentiate the layers, we use layer properties. Now to differentiate means, guys, to differentiate in the form of color, in the form of line type, in the form of line weight, you can differentiate. Okay? So don't worry, one by one, I'll teach you everything. First, I'll set the units and now. Guys, here you'll find layer properties. So you can double click here and you can open it, or you can give the shortcut which is LA. Okay, LA is the shortcut for layer properties. Give LA enter. Now, here guys, on top of that, first see, you'll find one zero layer. One white color का zero layer you will find. Now what is this? By default you will find this layer, guys. Means whatever you did till today, everything was in a zero layer. Okay. Guys, just a minute.
Ma'am, you there?
Okay, yeah, I'm so sorry, guys. Actually, there is an emergency. Yeah. So, okay, I'll repeat, not an issue. For layer properties, what you can do? LA enter and you can open layer properties manager, right? So one layer you will find by default, one zero layer, one white color ka layer you will find. Means whatever you did till today, everything was in a zero layer. In def point layer, right? In white color layer, sorry, right? So remember how many layers you want, you can create. How? See here, you have this yellow star option, new layer. Click on that. Layer 1, again layer 2, again layer 3, again layer 4. So only click, 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 and you can create the layers. Okay. Now, if you don't want any layer, how to delete? Click on this red cross mark here. Right? Click on that. Click, 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 and you can delete the layers. Right? Click on the yellow star. Click, click, click. You can create the layers. Click on the red cross mark. Click, click, click. You can delete the layers. Okay. Now यहाँ पे 30, 40, 50 layers बना दिए. Now how to remember कि okay, that door I've created in layer 33, that window I've created in layer 50. Not possible, right? So what you can do here, rename the layers. How? Right click, rename layer. I'll name it as wall, enter. Again, right click, rename layer. I'll name it as window, enter. Again, right click, rename layer. I'll name it as door, enter. Again, right click, rename layer. I'll name it as balcony, enter. Right? This is how you can rename. But remember, guys, there is one rule. For each and every layer, you have to change the color here. It doesn't matter which color it is, but you have to change the color. How will you do that? Click on white box. Suppose I'll take red. Click on white box. I'll take yellow. Click on the box green. Click on the blocks magenta, suppose. Change the color. Now अभी लेयर बनाया, रीनेम किया, कलर चेंज किया. अभी इसमें अगर काम करना है, see here, ये तो अभी भी व्हाइट आ रहा है. Then इतना लेयर्स बनाने का यूज क्या हुआ? So remember, in which layer you want to work, you have to set that layer as your current layer. How? So very simple. Here, on top of that, you have this drop down. Click on the drop down. You will find whatever layers you have created. So select in which layer you want to work. I'll select balcony. Now balcony is my current layer. So whatever I'm doing here, it will be in balcony layer. See? Again, if I'll select door, now door is my current layer. So whatever I'm doing, it's in door layer. If I'll select wall, now wall is my current layer. Whatever I'm doing, wall layer. Again, if I'll select window, window is my current layer. Whatever I'm doing, it in window. Okay. So basically, guys, this is how you can create, delete, rename. You can change the colors and you can work in the layer. Okay. So first tell me, is it clear till now? You understood this part? यहाँ तक कोई doubt है? Yes, Bhumika?
Ma'am, I want to ask one question. Like the color I have understood. Like we have to change the colors and that's how we remember the layer. बट
हाँ.
मैम जैसे कभी कभी कुछ लेयर्स का जैसे प्रिंट में नहीं आती हैं लेयर्स, मतलब कलर नहीं आता है, या फिर जैसे ना रेड का भी कौन सा वाला कोड उसके अंदर प्रिंट में आता है. देयर आर डिफरेंट मतलब कलर्स दैट कम ऑन.
लेआउट वाला सेटिंग है, वो अभी नहीं लगेगा.
अच्छा, तो मैम जब भी लेयर्स हम कर ड्राइंग बनाते हैं, लेयर्स करते हैं, तो हम कोई भी कलर चूज कर सकते हैं.
Yes, yes, you can select any color.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू.
Okay. Yeah, guys, do it till here. ठीक है? Create at least 4 layers. Change the colors. try to work in the layers and let me know. Then we'll proceed with on, freeze, lock, plot one by one. Okay guys, so is it done? Can we proceed further?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now see, after this you'll find on, freeze, lock, plot. One by one I'll explain. Please pay attention here. Guys, on off is nothing but you can hide unhide the layer. अभी मुझे सपोज ये मैजेंटा कलर का सर्कल नहीं चाहिए. I don't want this circle, which is in balcony layer, means I don't want the balcony layer here. You will say ma'am select and delete. ठीक है, delete कर भी दिया. Then what? कि अगर मुझे फिर से चाहिए then again you have to create. It's a waste of time, no? That's why you have this on off का option. On off means you can hide unhide the object, right? Click on that. See, you'll be able to hide the layer, right? Now it's hidden, but ऐसा नहीं कि ये delete हो गया. It's there only it won't be visible. Okay. Once your work is done, go and turn it on. Again, it will be visible here, right? Click on that, turn it off. Click on that, turn it on. That's it, right? Same happens with freeze. Click, you'll be able to freeze the layer. Click, you will be able to unfreeze the layer. Now you will say, ma'am, on off में भी तो वही कर रहे हैं ना, hide and hide. Yes, but there is one difference between on off and freeze and freeze. Which one? So guys, the simple difference is this thing. तो you know कि यहाँ से जो select करते हैं वो current layer होता है, right? So you can turn off your current layer and still you can work. ठीक है, आप आपके करंट लेयर को ऑफ करके काम कर सकते हो अगर वो लेयर ऑफ है तब भी. बट यू कांट फ्रीज योर करंट लेयर, रिमेंबर दिस. ओके, सिंपल डिफरेंस. ओनली रिमेंबर दिस वन, बाकी सब इग्नोर करो. बस इतना डिफरेंस याद रखना. ऑन ऑफ और फ्रीज एंड फ्रीज का काम तो सेम है, हाइड एंड हाइड करना. बस डिफरेंस ये है कि you can turn off the current layer, still you can work in that layer, but you can't freeze your current layer. Remember this. Okay. Then third will be lock. Now, why we lock the layer? If I click on lock, the layer is locked here. अगर जब कोई layer lock होता है, the color it will be faded down, थोड़ा सा light हो जाता है. Why we lock any layer? To keep it safe. Okay, if your layer is locked, you can't make any changes with that layer. You can't copy, you can't move, you can't rotate, you can't offset, even you can't delete it. Remember this. If your layer is locked, even you can't delete that layer. Okay, किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को किसी लेयर को सेफ रखने के लिए लॉक ऑप्शन यूज होता है. हाँ, once your work is done, go and unlock it. Again it will say, right? And last I got plot. Now what is meant by plot? So guys, by default ये सब on है. Okay, whatever you are able to see these options in plot, it's enabled by default. So when you click on that, now it's disabled. देखो माइनस साइन आ गया. तो ये होता क्या है? Enable means जितने layers अभी आप काम कर रहे हो, in which layers you are working, all the layers it will be plotted. All of the layers will be plotted. But if I'll click on specific layer and if I get this minus sign, it means this layer will be visible here. ठीक है, जो green color का layer है वो यहाँ पे दिखेगा काम करते टाइम. Only it won't be plotted. Means जब इसका PDF बनाओगे ना, in that PDF, this layer it won't be visible. Remember this. Okay, I'll repeat, guys. On off is nothing but hide and hide and hide the object. Second आएगा freeze, hide and hide and hide. Then what is the difference between on and freeze? So simply you can turn off the current layer and still you can work, but remember you can't freeze your current layer. Then आएगा lock. When you click on that means your layer is locked here. That color it will be faded down a bit. Remember, if your layer is locked, you can't make any changes with that layer. You can't copy, you can't move, you can't rotate, you can't offset, even you can't delete it. Remember this. But once your work is done, go and unlock it. Right? Then here you have plot. If you click on that, you are getting the minus sign. What does it means? Simply, whatever you are able to see in this model space, but this, it will be plotted, but this layer, it won't be plotted in the PDF, in the printer. That's it. Okay. Here guys, on, freeze, lock, plot. Understood? Everyone? Okay. So try it out, these 4 options, and let me know once you are done. Okay, Yashika is saying, ma'am, I'm not able to draw anything except for this straight line. Give the commands, no, Yashika?
Yes, ma'am. I'm giving the commands, but it is not accepting, I guess.
Give escape, cancel करो, escape देके, and fresh में try करो.
Okay.
हो गया मैम।
Okay, guys, done with this? Can we proceed further? Okay. Now see, after this, next one is line type. So guys, line type, you'll find it in a continuous line type, right? By default, it will be in a continuous line type. Now, if you want to change the line type of any layer, first select for which layer you want to change. Green के लिए suppose मुझे change करना है. Then click on continuous. Go for load and see number of line types are there. You can select any. Suppose I'll take this one, fence line circle. I'll give OK. Again, I'll select fence line circle. I'll give OK. That's it. अभी यहाँ पे तो दिखा रहा है कि कंटिन्यूअस का फेंस लाइन सर्कल चेंज हो गया, इसलिए डोर के लिए, राइट, ग्रीन लेयर के लिए, बट यहाँ पे तो ऐसे कुछ नहीं दिख रहा. Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. See, your line type is changed, but it's not visible now. Then every time it's not possible to zoom in and check कि चेंज हुआ है या नहीं. If it is not visible, why? Due to the scale. So if it is not visible, what you can do, go to properties and change line type scale. Go to properties and change line type scale. How? Select for properties, give PR, which is the shortcut. PR, enter. Then guys, in properties, basically you have to change line type scale, which is one only. I'll give 3, enter. See, change हो गया. और change करना है, चलो I'll give 5, enter. See, now easily it's visible. So this is how you can change the line type. Okay, I'll repeat. See carefully. Suppose for this red color, means for one layer, if I want to change, how to do this? Click on continuous, go for load and select which line type you want. Suppose I'll take this one, batting. I'll give OK. Again, I'll select batting. I'll give OK. That's it. The continuous का batting तो हो गया, but again it's not visible. You have to zoom in to check whether it is changed or not. So instead of this, what you can do, select, go to properties. Properties का shortcut है PR. Okay, here enter and change the line type scale here. जो 1 है, if I'll give 3, enter. You can change. If I'll give 5, enter. See? So this is how you can change the line type scale here. Right? Clear? The line type, how to change, and the scale also. Okay. So try it out guys here and let me know once you're done. Then we'll proceed with line weight and transparency both. Here you'll find new VP and description, but guys, it's not needed, so skip that part. Just focus till here, line weight and transparency will go. Okay? Finish this part first. Yes, Shruti, do you have any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Now I'm audible.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
ma'am. I
now.
will share my screen. Actually, I'm not get. Firstly, so I'm not getting options.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Yes.
show me.
Firstly, I'm not getting option, ma'am, for my for lines. मतलब ऐसा different types of lines. And
Yeah,
then,
show
ma'am,
me. Share your screen now.
yeah, just a minute, ma'am. Ma'am, is it visible?
Yes, it is.
So, ma'am, here I'm not getting option for line type. It's like my block, and there is one continuous line. So, continuous line is already a complete line. Also, ma'am, I have even tried to change the line weight now. That is also not visible over here.
Shruti, please follow what I'm teaching only. लाइन वेट अभी मैंने नहीं सिखाया है
No, no,
क्योंकि
ma'am.
उसके लिए
I have
आपको
just.
कुछ सेटिंग्स करना होता है. I'll teach you that part.
But, ma'am, even line type is not like I'm
Where
not
you are
getting
changing
option
line type? Show me.
in properties.
Show me. How you are
Ma'am, it is
changing the
visible
line
only.
types? Show me.
Here is line type option, and from here, like
It is the
I have
continuous
selected.
only.
So, ma'am, I'm not getting options for other type of lines.
We are learning layer properties, right? So open layer properties first.
Ma'am, this is only what I'm getting like when I have entered PR. So this is the
What is the shortcut of layer properties, Shruti?
what, ma'am? LY.
LA. If you are not getting it, ऊपर layer properties लिखा हुआ है. आप उसको
Yeah, ma'am.
डबल क्लिक करके ऑन कर सकते हो, right?
Yeah, ma'am. I have opened it. Okay. So when I'm clicking here, I'm only getting like continuous line option.
You have to load the line type. Click on load. Change the line type.
Okay, ma'am. Got it.
And if it is not visible, then properties में only उसका size change होता है, बाकी कुछ नहीं.
Okay.
आपने यहाँ से लाइन टाइप ही चेंज नहीं किया, आप साइज चेंज कर रहे हो. पहले यहाँ से लाइन टाइप चेंज करो, और अगर विजिबल नहीं है then you can change size, but it is visible, so keep it. ठीक है?
Yeah, ma'am. Got it.
Fine. Yeah, guys, I'll wait for 2 minutes. Then we'll proceed.
हो गया मैम।
Okay, guys, done with the line type. Can we proceed further? Fine. Now, next one is line weight and transparency. Guys, line weight is nothing but thickness only. Okay. If for this magenta color, I want to change line type. Line weight. Sorry, yeah. Line weight. ये तो by default है, तो click on default and select which line weight you want. If I'll give 0.35, okay. यहाँ पे तो दिख रहा है चेंज हुआ, बट यहाँ पे विजिबल नहीं है. Why? आपको शो हाइड लाइन वेट का ऑप्शन ऑन करना पड़ता है. From where? See, go for last 3 lines customization and enable line weight. उस दिन जैसे डायनामिक इनपुट किया था ना फर्स्ट डे, सेम लाइन वेट ऑन करना है यहाँ पे. अगर लाइन वेट ऑन करोगे तो एट बॉटम यू विल फाइंड दिस शो हाइड लाइन वेट का ऑप्शन, राइट? क्लिक ऑन दैट. अगर ये ऑप्शन ऑन रहेगा तो लाइन वेट दिखेगा. ओके. नाउ सपोज फॉर येलो आई वांट टू चेंज. क्लिक ऑन डिफॉल्ट. If I give 0.50, okay. See, line weight will be visible. Line weight is nothing but thickness only. ठीक है, जितना चाहो आप चेंज कर सकते हो, बस मेक श्योर योर ऑप्शन इज ऑन. If it is not there, go for 3 lines customization and turn it on. ठीक है. एंड लास्ट आएगा ट्रांसपेरेंसी. गाइज उसके नाम में ही है कि यू कैन चेंज ट्रांसपेरेंसी. अभी ट्रांसपेरेंसी 0 है, मीन्स फुल्ली विजिबल है. If I'll click on 0 and if I'll give 50% सी इसका ट्रांसपेरेंसी लो हो जाएगा. Here also same for this magenta. I'll click on 0. If I'll give 70, enter. See, 70% इसका ट्रांसपेरेंसी लो हो जाएगा. So this is how line weight and transparency work. Simply 0 पे क्लिक करो, जितना चेंज करना है ट्रांसपेरेंसी चेंज करोगे. And line weight में भी you can change. Only remember, make sure your that line weight का option is on there. ठीक है. Try it out, line weight and transparency both, so we can finish this layer properties. If you have any doubts, you can raise your hands. Okay, you just try it out first.
Ma'am, can you explain line weight again?
Yes, Siddhi, tell me.
Oh, can you explain line weight again?
Sure. Nothing. Click on default. Select which line width you want. Give OK. That's it. It will be visible. If it is not visible, make sure your line width option is on at bottom. That's it.
Okay.
Yes, Shruti?
Ma'am, again the same thing is happening. I'm unable to change line weight and line type.
Have you changed the option at, have you turned on the option? It's
What,
enabled.
ma'am? Yeah, ma'am. I'll
Okay.
show you again.
Share.
Ma'am, so like currently I'm working in like corner window layer. So this is the thing, this is a rectangle I have created in that layer. So from here, I'm trying to change the, like I have changed the line type. Okay, went to dash dot and I said like click OK, but it is not changing. Like it's not getting changed. Even
For which
thickness.
layer you are changing?
Ma'am,
First, to
corner.
turn off your grids. Nothing is visible properly.
Ma'am,
Grids को off करो.
I'm unable. Like by default, I'm getting this. I've tried from model. I've tried to switch, but it is not getting switched.
Shruti, are you able to hear me properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm saying turn off the grids. That's it. Okay. Now give escape and zoom out first to show me what you are creating there. ठीक है. Now what you want to do? Tell me first.
So, ma'am, I have created a rectangle in corner window layer, and I want to change its line type and line weight. Okay. So when I'm selecting that object and I have typed PR, okay, and then I'm trying to like change its properties. Like I've selected a dash dot kind of a line type, and
Okay, I got
I
it.
have
It's not visible. Now you tell me what in which units you are working.
ma'am, it's like in only, I guess.
Show me. What I guess. Show me.
Ma'am, I've tried to change the scale, but it's not changing, not getting changed.
Shruti, see, you are getting confused. Okay. What I'm saying, show me in which units you are working. That's it.
Ma'am, how we are supposed to get that?
Then you don't know how to set the units. Tell me how you are going to work with layer properties. Please check previous classes ka recording. Now to I'll tell you, but this is suggestion from my side. Please check previous classes ka recording. Okay. Give
Yes,
U
ma'am.
and enter, which is the shortcut for unit. And here you have to change the units. जो एकदम मतलब ऐसे लग रहा है कि मैंने यूनिट सिखाया ही नहीं है. इंसर्शन स्केल आपका इंचेस है और लेंथ टाइप जा रहा है आपका डेसिमल में. कैसे वर्क करेगा? Now
Yes, ma'am.
precision should be 0.
Yes, 0 only.
Precision for your length type should be 0. Change it.
Ma'am, this one?
Okay, done. Give okay. Now, now here you want to work with, okay, wait. आपको यहाँ से लाइन टाइप एंड लाइन वेट चेंज करने के लिए किसने बोला था? जो साइड में आपने प्रॉपर्टीज में चेंज किया ऊपर.
What,
See,
ma'am? I'm getting after like I'm getting this only by default. It is like when from the time I've started my AutoCAD, it is there only like this properties or
see,
option.
Shruti, no need of that part जिसके बारे में आप बात कर रहे हो. ठीक है, उसका जरूरत ही नहीं है हमें, इसलिए उसको स्किप करो. आप बार बार वही जा रहे हो कि मैम ये है, इसका ये चाहिए ही नहीं. आप वो दिखा क्यों रहे? आप उसको फोकस क्यों कर रहे हो उस पर? व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से, ऊपर लेयर प्रॉपर्टीज दिख रहा है आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
उसके साइड में आपको मैच प्रॉपर्टीज दिख रहा है,
मैच लेयर,
के
ओके, मैच
साइड में।
प्रॉपर्टी।
हाँ, अभी उसके साइड में और जाओ, जहाँ पे लाइन वेट दिख रहा है, इट शुड बी बाय लेयर, नो? आपने वहां से ये सब चेंज क्यों किया?
मैम इट इज बाय लेयर ओनली ना।
नो, क्लिक ऑन दैट, स्क्रॉल अप
अब
अप अप, शुड बी बाय लेयर, द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन।
ओके,
वहां से चेंज करने के लिए आप, मैंने तो सिखाया ही नहीं अभी तक। प्लीज डोंट डू इट बाय योर ओन, यू ओनली गेट कंफ्यूज।
या मैम।
ओके, नाउ मेक श्योर इट इज बाय लेयर। वो पार्ट अभी सिखाया नहीं है, उसको मैं एक्सप्लेन करूंगी, ठीक है? उसके लिए मत जाओ, जो मैं सिखा रही हूँ बस उसी पे फोकस करो। नाउ अभी क्या
ओके
सीन है, ग्रीन कलर का आपने चेंज किया है बट वो विजिबल नहीं है। ओके, अभी यूनिट का आपका इशू था, यूनिट तो सेट कर लिया, अभी क्या करो, एक रेक्टेंगल बनाओ बड़ा वाला,
सेम
जूम आउट
लेयर
करो
में।
स्क्रीन को। हाँ, सेम लेयर में जूम आउट योर स्क्रीन। It is visible,
Okay.
right?
But ma'am, then what is happening with this rectangle? Why it is not? Because
Your
it is not.
line type is your units are wrong, no? उसको समझ भी नहीं आ रहा, उसको बेचारे को इंचेस में काम करना है कि डेसिमल में करना है, आपने दोनों सेट करके रखा था। अच्छा, सेट दी यूनिट्स प्रॉपरली, ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा। ओके,
Okay, okay.
सेम गोज विथ लाइन वेट आल्सो, अभी चेंज करो, इट विल बी विजिबल।
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
ओके, yeah guys, we'll wait for 2 minutes, we'll proceed. Okay, fine guys, now see, after this, here so basically we are done with layer properties, ठीक है? Now you know how to create, how to delete, how to rename, how to change color, how to work in that layer, on, freeze, lock, plot, color, line type, line width, transparency, everything you know. Okay, so here basically we are done with the layer properties. So from now on, please remember, whenever you are working, work in the layers. Okay, no one is going to work without the layers from now on. Okay, fine. Now see guys, the next topic is about scaling, right? So I'll do one thing, I'll type here first and then I'll explain one by one. But till that time, you guys tell me what is meant by scale. Do you have any idea? Scale क्या होता है? Object को scale क्यों करते हैं? Can anyone tell me? Yes, try it out guys. इस पे फोकस मत करो, ये मैं एक्सप्लेन करूंगी. What I am asking, please respond. Okay guys, that's enough. Now I want response from each and every one, or else we can continue the class from tomorrow. Not an issue. Unmute yourself, tell me, give thumbs up, speak up, or else text in the chat box, but I want response from each and every student now. Seriously, guys, you're not kids, huh?
Ma'am,
Yes, Isha?
so ma'am, basically scale is something whenever we are drafting. So in actual way, our plot size or our site plan is on a large scale. So to minimize it or to customize it in a paper or something.
Okay.
So for that reason, we are using scale like 1:50 and 1:20 and all.
Yeah, but that part is different. That scale is different. Okay, fine, not an issue. आपने try किया, that's enough. See, I'll tell you.
Okay, ma'am.
एक
Yeah,
second.
ma'am.
बस 2 point रह गया. Again the same base point. See guys, if others जो भी respond नहीं कर रहे, सबको अपना अपना पता है. Like मुझे specifically किसी का नाम लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. From now on, I'm not going to ask you anything, ठीक है? If you're interested, complete the assignments. If you're interested, respond. I'm teaching for other students who like जो भी respond कर रहे हैं, okay?
Ma'am,
Again,
can I say?
Yes, Shruti, tell me.
Ma'am, basically scale are the ratios or like it is a reduced or enlarged size of the original thing which we have drafted over the AutoCAD.
Okay, correct. This is definition. Nice. एक second. And out of reference. ठीक है. Nice try. See, I'll tell you guys, scaling in short बता रही हूँ. Scaling is nothing but to resize the object, you can say. ठीक है? To resize the existing object in AutoCAD, we call it as scaling. ठीक है? Suppose मेरे पास एक square है 2000 by 2000 का square I have. I want to scale this square in 1000 by 1000. Then you will say इतना सर्कस करने से अच्छा तो दूसरा square बना लो. Yes, we can. But why? This is square. That's why you're saying this. What if it is sofa? What if it is dining table? What if it is chair? You will sit and create another one. You can, but it will take time, no? That's why you need to learn how to resize the existing object. दूसरा बनाने से अच्छा आपको सीखना है कि how you can resize the existing object. Right? Now please pay attention. Draw a reference line. पहले तो reference line का layer बनाओ. Reference line. Any color you can select. ठीक है? I'll select that reference line का layer. Now reference line is my current layer ना? Here. Draw a reference line. कैसे और कहाँ से? Remember, reference line every time it will be from the base point of the object. Okay. The reference line, it will start from the base point of the object. Remember this. ठीक है? Then कितने का रेफरेंस लाइन बनाओगे? जितने में आपको स्केल करना है. If you want to scale it in 1000, draw a reference line of 1000. You want to scale it in 200, draw a reference line of 200. Like this. ठीक है? Now 2000 by 2000 का स्क्वायर है ना? I want to scale it in 1000 by 1000. ठीक है? Draw a reference line of 1000 from the base. Okay. L enter, and using line tool, draw a reference line of 1000 here. 1000 का reference line इतना आ रहा है. See? ठीक है, not an issue. Sometimes it will be too big, sometimes it will be too small. Fine. Follow the same process. Second, select the object. This is the object, no? You are scaling. Select. Give SC enter. Guys, SC is the shortcut for scale. ठीक है? इसीलिए SC enter. Then select the base point. You know this is the base point, right? So select the base point. Then give R enter. Guys, R is the shortcut for reference line. Right? So give R enter. Then again the same base point. Then end point of object. Guys, object का end point लेना है. And then end point of reference line. Reference line का end point. That's it. See? You will be able to scale that square in 1000 by 1000. Because that 1000 ka line is perfectly matching, na? Once your scaling is done, you can delete that reference line. That's it. Okay? Same process को follow करो, you can scale. But now I know you guys are thinking कि length बढ़ा रहे हो तो width बढ़ रहा है, width बढ़ा रहे हो तो length बढ़ रहा है. Bed है, sofa है, then what? Don't worry. This process we use to scale the entire plan at the same time, and this process we use to scale the entire image at the same time. ठीक है, पूरे इमेज को एक टाइम पे स्केल करने के लिए और पूरे प्लान को एक टाइम पे स्केल करने के लिए हम ये प्रोसेस यूज करते हैं. फॉर योर सोफा, टेबल, डाइनिंग टेबल, फॉर दैट वी यूज another tool. I'll teach you in tomorrow's session that part. ठीक है, सोफा, डाइनिंग टेबल, जो फर्नीचर्स होते हैं ना, उसको स्केल करने के लिए दूसरा टूल यूज होता है. That I'll teach you in tomorrow's session. But remember, this part is very important. Monday को when we'll start plan drafting na, you have to be perfect in the scaling part. Practice for this. If you are not getting, ask me in tomorrow's session. Tomorrow also I'm ready to repeat this part. Saturday, Sunday you don't have class. Practice well, but don't stretch the scaling wala topic till Monday, guys. आप सबका असाइनमेंट्स का प्रोग्रेस देख के मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये इशू आएगा, इसलिए आई एम टेलिंग यू नाउ ओनली, don't stretch the scaling का topic till Monday, because from Monday when we start plan drafting, no, I can guarantee you कि some like one student, he or she will come saying that कि मैम scale कैसे करते हैं, I don't know. I can't repeat that scaling part on Monday, guys, because plan drafting, doors, windows, it will take time. That's why I'm repeating. Practice for this today. Ask me in tomorrow's class. 10 times I'll repeat tomorrow. But Saturday, Sunday, you don't have class. Practice at that time, but don't stretch the scaling ka topic till Monday. Okay? Fine. So now I'll repeat one more time and you can practice now. ठीक है, सी अब ये 1000 by 1000 का बेसिकली स्क्वायर है. आई वॉन्ट 1900. ठीक है, तो आई ड्रॉ अ लाइन ऑफ 1900 हियर. जितने का ऑब्जेक्ट चाहिए उतने का रेफरेंस लाइन बनाना पड़ता है. नाउ रेफरेंस लाइन इज दिस मच. ठीक है, फॉलो द सेम प्रोसेस व्हाटएवर इज रिटन हियर. ड्रॉ अ रेफरेंस लाइन, डन. Select the object. Okay, click on that. Then give SC enter. SC is the shortcut for scale. SC enter. Then select the base point. Okay. Give R enter. R is the shortcut for reference line. R enter. Then again the same base point. Then end point of object. Okay. Object का end point click करना है. And at last end point of reference line. That's it. See? That line is perfectly matching your means. Now your object is scaled. Clear now? Understood? Scaling part?
Yes, ma'am. We will try, ma'am, and then.
Sure, definitely. Definitely. Guys, I'm not giving you any assignment today. Okay, please listen carefully. I'm not giving you any assignment today. Why? Because I want you guys to practice for layer properties and scaling part. Trust me, AutoCAD is nothing without layers and scaling. This is most important part. Okay? So please make sure your layer properties and scaling part is clear. Okay? So
Ma'am,
practice
can
well.
we do?
Bhumika, just a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
So practice well for the layer properties, for the scaling part. If you have any doubts, you can contact me personally. Definitely, I'll help you. I'll repeat in tomorrow's session. Okay? No need to worry about it. But please come and ask. The number of introvert students are there. But still, if you want to learn, you have to come and ask. That's it. Okay? Yeah. Yes, Bhumika, tell me.
Ma'am, like in for the assignment, you have told us to make 3 furnitures, right? 3 furniture elevation.
Yes.
So, ma'am, like a study table elevation can be made, essay and side table, bed, anything can be made, right?
Yes, anything is fine. Only 3
Okay.
furnitures I want, and that is yesterday का assignment.
हाँ. So, ma'am, उसके अंदर मतलब in that assignment only, can we use line weight and then can practice?
Yes, definitely you can.
And then, ma'am, we can show you like how it is, because once we'll practice, then only we will get to know.
Yeah.
Like
Definitely you can do that part also. Okay? Use layers in that assignment and finish. Not an issue. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Yes, guys. Anything anyone wants to discuss in today's session?
मैम
Yes, Siddhi.
एक्चुअली जो 9:30 वाला बैच था उसमें कल असाइनमेंट नहीं दिया था, तो फिर जो मतलब एलिवेशन वाला है जो फर्नीचर करना है वो करना है क्या असाइनमेंट पे?
हाँ आप करो। लाइक आज मैं क्लास में जब लेयर प्रॉपर्टीज और स्केलिंग सिखाऊंगी ना, मैं यही असाइनमेंट दूंगी कि बस 3 फर्नीचर बस लेयर्स यूज करके, तो दोनों इसका प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगा.
अच्छा ठीक है, चलो.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine, guys. If you don't have any doubts, so we'll end the session for today then. Okay, and we'll continue from tomorrow. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.